Okay, I got my latest Nespresso haul, so I'm just gonna open it. Show you what I got. I got another bag because I'm always needing these. Alright, I got start off with my favorite, absolute favorite is Mexico. Yay! Been waiting for this to get in. And this is an espresso size. This is called Diabolito. There. We've got Giornio. And this is a new one to me. This is Esperanza de Colombia. And this time I was able to get, my last order I was not able to get any of the samples because I think they were running out. This time I got this little sample here. Okay, and I'll just get it loaded in my little tray here. I'll start with the samples. This is the Master Origin collection, and it's the Mexico and Colombia. I'll just show you these. Really cute. Pretty green color. And this is Colombia. Okay, let's start with Giornio. And this is a really pretty orange color. This is the standard coffee size. It's the 7.7 ounces. Next we'll do my favorite, Mexico. And I already showed you this in the sample, but I'll just show you again. And this is another standard coffee size. Now this is Diabolito. This is an espresso size, so this is 1.35. This is a dark blue capsule. Now I'm not really a big fan of drinking espresso on its own. It's a little too strong for me. But so my favorite way to brew these is to either mix it with a Premier protein shake to make myself a little mocha type coffee drink, or I will brew it and pour it over vanilla bean ice cream and to make myself an affogato as like a little summertime treat. So there we go, get those in there. Okay, and last we have the Esperanza de Colombia, and this is from the Reviving Origins collection. It's a new one. That's a bummer, one of those is dented. Let me show you. Here it is. It's really pretty. And it's priced a little bit higher than the regular coffees. I think this was like $1.50 per pod. So 15 bucks for the sleeve. But I'm excited to try it. I've always been pleased with the limited edition or the special editions that Nespresso comes out with. So when I placed this order, I thought, why not? Let's try this one. Ready to go. Until next time. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.